GD Goenka International School, Sonipat, a 16-acre campus, pollution-free in the lap of nature. It is a co-educational institute where we have a hostel for both boys and girls. Here, academic and co-curricular activities are integrated to bring out the best in every child.
GD Goenka International School provides a pleasant stay and best possible learning environment to our kids. We have boarding facility also for boys and girls. We cater for both. We have separate hostel for boys and girls. A girl hostel is a secured abode because the security of the student is of prime importance to us. We start our boarding facility for the kids from grade 2 onwards. Right now we have more than 150 kids from different parts of the state.
Experiential learning is given due importance, wherein a child is given hands-on learning experiences both inside school and outside school. The sporting activities are very much enjoyed by the children. We have a semi-Olympic size swimming pool, a snooker table, we have squash, we have a new shooting range, we have many new attributes to our sporting section. The children are given many experiences to go outside the school and compete with other schools and other teams to bring out the best. A huge dining hall with a modern kitchen which can cater to about 500 students at one go and serves hot, tasty vegetarian food. All our boundaries are secure. A 24/7 vigilance by cameras all around the boundary in and outside the school building ensure that a safe and secure, stable environment is given to every child. The teaching staff is well qualified and experienced. Special focus is given to those children who want to appear for entrance exams and competitive exams after their class 12.
GD Goenka International School, Delhi, NCR is among the top and the best school when you consider the academic and the co-curricular part. It will help enhance the overall ability of your child and make him a best and a good leader in the future.
We are proud to be a Goenkan.
I'm proud to be a Goenkan.
I really enjoy coming to school. Proud to be a Goenkan.
Here at GD Goenka International School, Sonipat, we develop a child into a happy citizen of tomorrow.